Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using two of these wooden crates that I got from Dollar Tree. I started by gluing them together side by side using wood glue and hot glue. I then painted the insides of them as well as the top rim of them with Plaster chalk paint by Waverly. Next I'm taking these craft sticks, which I also got from Dollar Tree, and I cut them in half. I ended up using 20 craft sticks. And to cut them, I am using Fiskars shears. Next, I am taking those half-cut craft sticks and hot gluing them all around the outside of the crates. Once I get to the end, the last stick is too wide for the edge, so I just take those shears again and cut that craft stick down a little bit and then sanded it so it was smooth. Once I had it the size I needed, I hot glued that into place. And I did have to do that process for each side. Once I had that covered, I went around the bottom edges of the craft sticks and sanded those down. I then used my heat tool to get rid of any hot glue strings and then painted the outside of the box, all those craft sticks, and the bottom with the same plaster chalk paint. I then added some floral foam into each crate, keeping it in place with hot glue. And then the last thing I do is I had cut down a bunch of florals and baby's breath that I had got from Dollar Tree and placed it inside the foam. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.